Ogun appoints Lekan Youth Ambassador. Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun has appointed Big Brother Naija Season 5 winner Olamilekan Agbelese aka Lekan as a youth ambassador. Abiodun made this known on Tuesday while receiving Lekan in his office. He said, "I personally look forward to working with you to be a model of good character, excellence, good virtue, calmness, integrity that are the general attributes of Ogun State government. As a matter of fact, you are from Odeda." He further advised Lekan to channel his energies towards curbing vices, immoral acts, among other things in the society. Wow, that's a good one. From Ogun State Governor to the winner of Big Brother Nigeria Season 5, Olamilekan Agbelese, aka Lekan. It's a good one anyway. But we hope Lekan will handle the office very well. He has been made the ambassador now, and people are here to say some things about Lekan. We want to know, I want to share from many people's opinion. The governor has did his own. He made him with some amount of money, huge amount of money indeed. Wow, Lekan, we say congratulations to you, making Ogun State proud, making the Ogun State youth proud, and we say congratulations to him. This person is saying that, can you see where Nigeria gets it wrong? Award of 5 million naira and a 3-bedroom flat for someone who was the winner of BBN, a program that encouraged promiscuity, indecency, and vices. Wow, what an opinion from this person is saying that 5 million naira. Well, it's a huge amount of money anyway, but the governor is trying to encourage Lekan and he's trying to encourage other youth. But can all the youth go for this? How many people will benefit from this 5 million naira award and this 3-bedroom flat? How many people in the state? How many youths will benefit from this 5 million naira? It has been going on anyway. It has been going on in the country, because remember when somebody in the last 2 years when the Imo State guy won, we know what the governor then did for him, and same thing happened to the last Bibi Messi, the winner. We know what the governor of the state did. So it has been happening. They used to encourage them. They used to compensate them as well with money, with awards, and even throw parties for them. That is what the governors of each winner of BB Niger State used to do for them. They used to encourage them, and to show appreciation for making their state proud once again. This one shouldn't be an exclusion, and the youth should also encourage him as well and appreciate whatever the governor did for him. But everyone is against what the governor did. I guess the amount of money is too much. Let's go. Let's hear from another person saying Lekan may have gone to BB Niger, but what set him apart from his moral? The governor did not celebrate the show, but the attributes and personality of Nicole, which is what emulating who God has blessed, no elite can curse, which is true. Lekon shows so many attributes in the house, and that is what this person is saying that he did not compensate, the governor did not compensate him for his the show, but the attributes and the personality of Nikon, which is what emulating. That is what this person is saying. Nikon has so many attributes that many people can emulate. He's someone that is so reserved. He studies psychology in the school, so he really portrayed what he studied, and many people learned from what Lekon portrayed in that PB Niger house. Another one is saying wicked governor, wicked government. This singular act will encourage the young to engage in promiscuous. They have many first classes graduates that he should have appointed one of them as a youth ambassador instead. Wow. Another one is saying foolish people, if it's Erica now, then it's worth it. Wow. We have our different candidates. Your own choice may be different from this person's or another person's choice, but you don't have to condemn one person. If it is Erica will also be celebrated in his own state, in her own state as well. She will surely be celebrated. Another one is saying this Ogun State government need deliverance. He gave the best 3 teachers in Ogun State 2-bedroom bungalow, 2.5 million and 2 million respectively, who have worked for decades in contributing positively to life and generation, but give 5 million naira to someone that is already rich through immoral act. Wow. Through immoral act. This one is trying to say that the money is too much. Well, it's a high money. It's a high sum of money. Yes, he gave 5 million naira to someone that is already rich. Yeah. And then gave 2.5 million naira to teachers, the best teachers in Ogun State that have worked for decades. And now he's giving Lekon 5 million naira. Another one is saying wastage of public funds. Wastage of public funds. Yes, we encourage you not to waste public funds. This is an advice to the governor of Ogun State. This one is saying that he is wasting public funds. This one said, this is the best thing that can happen to our youth. May the governor be blessed, and we want more of those programs to empower our youth. Well, more of those programs to empower our youth. It is not easy to get there anyway. It is not easy. Lekon made the youth, he did his race, and he stayed very proud by many of his conduct in the BB house. If more of our youth can copy this conduct and get busy, they will drop vices such as Yahoo, drug, cultism, etc. Moreover, Lekon will be a good mobilizer. So his appointments and rewards are very deserved. Thank you, Governor Dapo Abiodun. Wow, this is what this person is saying, that Lekon really portray a good character in the house, and he made the state proud. He made his race proud, and he made the youth proud. That if our youth can copy this conduct, they will drop vices such as Yahoo, drug, cultism, etc. They will drop it. Wow, many people are saying Lekon had a good character in the house, and that is why everyone loves him. That is why so many people love him. But some are against the reward or the award given to him by the state governor. He has been compensated, and that is what the governor has he should have done. That is what he should have done. He cannot just leave him like that without him being compensated by him. That is what other governors have been doing to their candidates anytime in the BB Niger. Thank you for listening, and I will see you on the other news. Bye for now.